Today we're going to be planting potatoes, and we're going to be using the new Haas tool with the dual sweeps on them, used to first create a furrow, and then we're going to try to close up the furrow after we put the potatoes in with that same tool, just rearrange them. Well, after assembling the tool, this is a Haas tool, two-wheel hoe. It's a little plow. It has a couple of sweeps on it that are making furrows. Daughter had done a few furrows already over there. We had tested it out, but we're still in the learning curve. Our process was to go down one direction with it and make a decent furrow with it. And then as we came back, just come back down through that same one and push the dirt out just a little bit farther. That gave us room for potatoes to go down in it and be down in some nice moist soil. And then we would also be able to have plenty of dirt to bring back over the top of the potatoes after we had put them in over there.
Yeah, this will help when it comes to tomatoes and stuff.
Okay, now we've already put the potatoes in the ground. We didn't really think it was necessary to record that. We put them in at the very bottom of the furrow. I took the tool and switched the sweeps around so that it turned the dirt back over on top of the potatoes. I did a couple of rounds there doing that, and then decided that the area that I was covering just wasn't quite wide enough, so it was a simple matter to just loosen the sweeps a bit, move them out a little farther from the center of the furrow, and start covering again. And here I've reached the desired effect. This is what I wanted. I wanted those to be about another inch or two of soil over the top of the potatoes, and that's what we've got. Sometimes it's easy to slide the machine forward and then come back with it just a bit and slide it again. Just use this sort of a oscillating motion on it, so that it covers better. Not really necessary. I think on this last part here, I just decided to put the plow down, those little sweeps down, and once they get it started, just push ahead with the thing and let it do most of the work. Just guide it and push it, and the sweeps did a really good job of folding in the earth along the tops of the potatoes. We planted just a couple of different varieties. I think there's Kennebec and the Pontiac or Lakota. And then there were some potatoes that we had left from last year. I think there were Pontiac and maybe some butter gold or some variety like that we decided to go ahead and give a chance to grow. We're pleased with the performance of the tool, and it actually cut our time in half this year planting the potatoes.